Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. Whether it's someone who's been spamming you, making you uncomfortable, or just someone you don't want seeing your profile, blocking them is quick and easy. Let's get into it. Before we start, let me quickly explain what blocking actually does. When you block someone on LinkedIn, they can no longer see your profile, your posts, or your activity. You also disappear from their view completely. They won't be notified that you blocked them, and any existing connection between you two will be removed automatically. You also won't be able to see their profile either, so keep that in mind. Open LinkedIn on your computer and log in. Go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can search their name in the search bar at the top. Once you're on their profile, click the More button. It looks like 3 dots and is usually located near the top of their profile, right next to the Message and Connect buttons. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Report or Block, then select Block followed by their name. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm. Click Block to finalize it. Done. They are now blocked. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Search for the person's name and go to their profile. Tap the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of their profile. Tap Report or Block from the menu. Select Block and confirm by tapping Block again. That's it. The person is blocked instantly. If the person has messaged you and you want to block them directly from the conversation, open your Messages tab. Find the conversation with that person and open it. Tap or click the 3 dots or the info icon at the top of the chat. Select Block or Report from the options. Confirm the block. This is a faster way to block someone without having to visit their profile. If you ever want to review who you've blocked or unblock someone, here's how. On desktop, click on your profile icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Visibility, then scroll down to Blocking and Hiding. Click on Blocked Contacts to see the full list. From here, you can unblock anyone at any time by clicking Unblock next to their name. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And that's all there is to it. Blocking someone on LinkedIn is simple and gives you full control over who can interact with you on the platform. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.